Hi, I'm Aiden from ViPR Publishing. Here, we focus on calm, practical conversations about AI and work. One of the biggest reasons people hesitate to use AI is the belief that they need to be technical. They assume they need to understand programming, complex systems, or advanced tools before they're allowed to begin. That belief stops a lot of people before they ever take the first step. Here's the reality. Most everyday uses of AI don't require technical skill at all. They require clarity, the ability to explain what you want, why you want it, and what kind of result would actually be helpful. In many ways, using AI effectively looks more like having a conversation than learning a new technology. You're not telling the system how to work internally. You're telling it what you're trying to accomplish. Think about your own work. You already explain problems, ask questions, and give context to other people every day. Those same skills translate directly to using AI well. Where people get stuck is trying to learn AI as a subject, instead of using it as a tool. They watch tutorials, chase features, and wait until they feel prepared. But confidence usually comes after use, not before it. A simpler approach works better. Pick one small task you already understand. Something repetitive. Something that takes time but doesn't require deep judgment. Then use AI to help with just that one thing. As soon as you do, something shifts. AI stops feeling intimidating and starts feeling practical. You realize you don't need technical mastery. You need clear thinking and reasonable expectations. This is also why emotional intelligence matters more than technical skill when working with AI. The way you frame questions, the patience you bring to the process, and the clarity of your intent all shape the results you get. You don't need to become a developer. You don't need to speak in code. You just need to understand your own work well enough to explain what help would look like. That's how AI becomes useful. And that's how it becomes something you work with, not something you fear. If you're looking for more calm, practical conversations about AI and everyday life, you'll find them right here.